Welcome to the Fuller Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording. It's 3:52 p.m. that is Central Time. Today is July 31st, and it's the last day of the month, so we do get a little bit of re-weighting at this particular time, and it's generally bullish for markets, and that was certainly the case today, where most markets were up, but there were plenty of other contributing factors that really added to the bullish sentiment today. So in the Japanese session, the Nikkei was up about 1.5%. The Topix was also in positive territory, and that was in response to the Bank of Japan raising interest rates and then altering the quantitative easing program and looking more at quantitative tightening. So this is a monumental change for the Bank of Japan, but now the yen is at a potential area of resistance, so it's an important area. Then we've had a significant rebound in the AI sector, and Nvidia was up in a really robust manner in here today. Now, what I was writing about yesterday was that a lot of those shares were at potential areas of support, and now they have demonstrated support in those areas. So that is certainly near-term support having been found, and certainly evidence of investors willing to give the benefit of the doubt to the upside. Then we had also in China, the CSI 300 was up 2%, the Hang Seng was up 2%. Oil prices have rebounded, and this was the first seriously dynamic upward move that we've had in quite a while for Brent or West Texas Intermediate, so that's also worth noting. And copper also rebounded in a more dynamic manner from the $4 area, so that is also in respect, or I guess heavily influenced by the renewed enthusiasm that China may embark upon additional stimulus. And then Chinese government bond yields were also a little bit off their record lows. Now, we've had plenty of false dawns in China, so I think really betting that this is going to be the time when they do, in fact, pull the trigger on stimulus would probably be a little bit foolhardy. So we'll need to see upside follow through. Most particularly, we'll need to see that lows hold. But then we've also had the significant move from the Federal Reserve, where the main statement from Jay Powell was that they may cut rates as soon as September. Then I think that is certainly a big change. Then what they also started to talk about is that they're looking more at the other side of the dual mandate, and that there are material risks to the employment